I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make $110 in 5 minutes of the market being open. And we're going to talk about it right now. All that I ask is you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I want you to know that I do go live every single day, Monday through Friday, at market open, so you guys can actually watch me take these trades live, get inside my head as to why I'm doing that, and watch as I lock in profits or even lose money, as it does happen too. Now, I showcase my good days, my bad days, all of it, and today was a good day. We've seen TOVX come up on the scanner here, the top gainers. It was the second one. I believe it said it was up about 17 or 18% this morning when I looked at it. And decided to buy. As you could see here, there was a lot of support at 340, 340, 345 on the 30-minute chart down here. A lot of support. I did notice that it did, continue that support, as I did buy it around 6:46 my time, which would be 6:40. Yeah, 6:46 my time or 8:45 Eastern Standard Time, about at 3:58. Now that was my plan. My plan was to buy at 3:58, sell at 5:15, and stop at 3:29. So I had a 3:29 stop. It broke this support at 3:40, went to 3:29, which was the low. I would stop out and get out of this position. Fortunately enough, at the bell, it popped up 293, came down to 340, tested that support again, just like it did previously during pre-market hours. And I said, you know what, this is a no-brainer. This is going to go up. I should actually double down and put more money in, as I could have made more money here. Neither here nor there, though. Now, I sold at this first gap up. You see this gap up? Gapped up very nicely in like 1 minute, and I went from a negative amount on here to a positive amount in a very small amount of time. So I sold and locked in profit at 441. So I bought at 358 and sold at 441, which gave me the initial 83 or $85 in profit. It then got halted. It got halted right up here. It got halted on this candle, actually. It pulled up, it came down, I bought in again, 100 shares at $4.90, sold 100 shares at $5.17 for another 20, what's that, $27 profit, putting me over $110 in profits locked in 5 minutes. Now I did buy this initial 100 shares at a 645, sold at 958, and then this next push, it was in a matter of 20 seconds, 15 seconds. I bought in at 10:06:46 seconds, and I sold at 10:06 and 59 seconds. So a total of actually 13 seconds in the trade, almost long enough to hit the buy button at market and then come over and hit the sell button at market. So very cool, making $110 on this trade. We traded TOVX today, as it was a very nice trade here. Now I was expecting for this, as you can see, it's been at that 340 level for a few days. So my goal really was to hold this and wait for that next spike up. And I was just telling everyone on the live stream this morning that this may take a day or two to spike up. It can consolidate a couple more days, maybe get a spike up on Friday or maybe on Monday. I did not realize a few moments after I said that, probably like 2 or 3 minutes after I said that, it literally spikes up. And we were able to benefit and lock in profits because we understood that, hey, this is a support level here. Even from yesterday's levels of it popping up and coming back down, and then finding that support here and here really helped validate my trade plan. And if the trade plan went sour or didn't work out, I had to stop at 329 from 358, which was a little bit less than 30 cents. It was like 29 cents. So I was willing to risk 29 cents to make, $100. Sold too early on one, 441, and not getting back until 490. So I missed out on 50 cents or $50 from just holding it. If I would have just held and not taken that second position, been up $150. So missed some of the move, but still was able to make some really good money on a very small trade. To put that into perspective, I invested $358 to make $100. So not bad at all. That's literally almost 30% profit on a single trade. So yeah, that's my recap on TOVX. I'll be doing some more recaps on the overall day later, around 2 p.m. when the market actually comes to a close. And yeah, I'm excited to see you all in our live stream tomorrow morning at market open, or any day you're available. When the market opens in your area, you can be sure we will be live. See you all there, and remember, it's in the year on a green note.